Hi everybody, I'm going to be making chocolate crispies with sultanas. First off, we're going to break a bar of milk chocolate into a bowl. So I'm just going to break these into little bits into a plastic bowl. And for a bit of extra chocolatiness, I'm going to add half a bar of dark chocolate as well. So for this you need some Rice Krispies, a big bar of milk chocolate, and maybe half a bar of dark chocolate if you want to try that as well, and about 100 grams of sultanas. Oh, you also need to boil some water on the hob. I'll show you the sultanas, just like about half a bird, about 100 grams to mix in with the chocolate once it's melted. So I've got the hob on. You're also going to need some of these little cake holders as well. So I'm going to use about half of this, use about that much, to mix in with the milk chocolate. Just thinking maybe I'll add a bit more. A little bit more in there. Why not? And the next stage is we're going to melt this on a small pan of boiling water. Put some boiling water in the bottom here. I'm going to put the pan of chocolate onto the water. Whilst that's doing that, I'm just going to get the cake holders put onto a plate. That's been boiling away for a few minutes now. The chocolate's just starting to melt on the bottom of the bowl there. Been on another minute. Oops. Just watch out for steam burns, folks, because steam burns horrible. You could use a smaller pan as well, it doesn't have to be a big pan like that. Oh, it's been on about another minute and it's really starting to melt. Lovely. It's been melting a little bit longer. Nearly done now. I think that's just about ready. Turn the hob off. Okay, now we're going to get the Rice Krispies and tipping them out into this chocolate and stir it in. We don't want to put too much in. I think that should probably do it. And we're also going to put some sultanas in there as well. There's at least 50 grams of sultanas in there with the Rice Krispies, and we're just going to mix it all together with the chocolate. I think we might be able to add a few more Rice Krispies in there, definitely. Quite a bit of chocolate in the bottom there. Maybe add a bit more fruit. Oh, it's looking great. And once we're happy with everything getting a good coating of chocolate, we're going to dish it out into the cake holders. I'm gonna put a good amount in each cake holder. There we go. So I'm going to put these in the fridge for about an hour. Here we go. Tastes lovely. Crunchy, chocolatey, a little bit gooey from the sultanas.